The community's health depends not only on the residents' genetics but also on the environment in which the residents are located. As such, a person's health is dependent on the environment in which they live. Hence, a healthy community can be described as one in which residents have access to aspects that promote healthy living, such as adequate health care, physical activity, nutrition, quality employment, transportation, education, and safe and comfortable homes. Unhealthy homes and communities can increase the chances of having chronic diseases such as heart diseases, cancer, and diabetes. In today's world, when chronic lifestyle diseases are on the rise as a result of unhealthy living caused by poorly planned communities, healthy communities are critical. Health communities are essential to the development of a region in which resources that would have been spent on preventing chronic diseases are instead used to improve sustainable communities. Physical exercise is a known variant when it comes to maintaining a healthy living, thus, healthy communities encourage physical exercise in addition to growth. Physical activities are promoted by health professionals because they are important in preventing chronic diseases. Another important aspect of healthy communities is improved air quality. Many residents, particularly in urban regions, are exposed to harmful chemicals as a result of the numerous companies that exist there. These hazardous gases have a number of negative consequences that have a significant impact on the health of local residents. Fresh market food encourages a diet that is devoid of additives and preservatives. A healthy community relies on access to high-quality, low-cost healthcare. Quality healthcare is available to all residents in well-established communities. Healthy communities are built in such a way that variables that influence healthy living are encouraged. As a result, various factors should be considered when developing such communities. Access to quality healthcare has been known to promote healthy communities. It is critical to address the discrepancies in access to healthcare. Healthcare access is more difficult to get by in communities with lower per capita income. As a result, when creating regulations governing access to medical treatment, a community health system should address such considerations. Minimizing the expense of medical treatment, as well as building medical facilities and programs that promote access to high-quality care, are examples of such policies. In addition to medical infrastructure, a health public policy should be implemented. The establishment of policies in non-health sectors, such as public transit, food policy, or rules guiding sustainable production, is referred to as public health policy. A well-managed health public policy aims to improve the population's health. Because of the many elements that influence human health at the community level, public health policy is extremely significant. Transportation alternatives, neighborhood design, access to healthy food options, and recreation possibilities are all examples of things that happen in our communities. Unsafe and substandard homes put persons at risk of ill health or accidents. Asthma is common among children who live in inadequate housing, according to studies. Poor ventilation, mildew from water leaks, and pest infestation are all factors that contribute to unhealthy dwellings. Addressing the problem of dangerous housing in the neighborhood helps to create healthier communities. Investing in the community utilizing an asset-based strategy benefits both individuals and communities by concentrating on the individual's or community's skills, knowledge, and strengths. Traditional approaches have concentrated on flaws in the community approach that has not worked to address issues like obesity, poverty, and homelessness. As a result of this approach, specialists from outside the community have been brought in to deliver interventions. In contrast, the asset-based approach focuses on communities developing their own strengths, knowledge, and skills in order to form their own solutions. This and many other essays are available at studycorgi.com.